How to start an online business with no money in the bank. Yes, you can do it. Most of the top online earners and entrepreneurs started their online business and income with little or no money in their banks. They all say this was a great advantage. Hi, Susan Rutherford here to share with you why the top online earners and entrepreneurs say no money to start their business was a great advantage. I have heard many of these amazing top earners tell their stories, and most of them have the same theme. They started with nothing and had to do something to raise the money for their initial investment. This was their driving force. They had to make it work, otherwise it was starvation. It gave them the impetus to make it work. And here are many of them, with me as well. So we have John Lee, Drew Innes, Gavin Chowdhury, Matt Lloyd, Ernest Lim, Kate McCarthy, Sarge P, Davin Michaels and the amazing Nick Halleck. How did they get the money for their initial investment? Well, a lot of them looked around their house and identified what they did not need and they sold it. This may sound a little harsh, but most people are surprised what they come up with. It just takes a practical decision, and then you can have that money that you need to invest in your future, your financial freedom, your life of choice. The other way was to approach an offline market. With the onset of online marketing, many of us have stopped thinking about the gold mine in our own backyard. It's time to revitalize it. So many people want what you want, but they just don't know a good pathway. You have a good pathway at the end of this video, so be sure to watch it to the end. Then you can discover how to share with others, so they will be saying, yes please, show me now. It really is easy when you know how and you can learn. But first you need a strategic online business income system, one that will show you how to do this, but also one that the top earners use. And what I'm going to show you at the end of this video is one that those top earners use. This is how and where they make their millions. This is what pays you and them, of course, a high commission. So it's possible to recoup your investment and start making a profit with just 1 or 2 sales. It's the only way to go. You apply at www.partnerwithsusan.com. The best systems, offer an application form, and this is for a small refund, a refundable amount if you decide it's not for you. This is the way you get to have a good look at a top program before you make an investment. It's the wisest thing to do. So if you want to be a top earner, you have to join them now. You've got to be part of their world, their life of freedom and choices. What is the cost to you if you don't make some changes? Think about that for a moment. What is the cost to you, your family, your life, if you don't make some changes starting today? Your journey can start here at www.partnerwithsusan.com. The link is on this video. To your success, Susan, until next time.